Dear students and viewers, a very good morning to all of you. Myself, Professor Dr. Shafa Khan, Vilia College of Arts, Science and Management Science, Veed, Maharashtra. Today, we are going to see how the bacteria reproduces. The characteristic feature of living organism is reproduction. The reproduction is one of the most important characteristic feature of all the living organisms. Here in bacteria, the bacteria also reproduces. Generally or mostly the reproduction in different organism is of three types. One is vegetative reproduction, second is asexual reproduction, and third is sexual reproduction. Beside these, actually the process of reproduction means the production of new individuals from their parents. So, in reproduction or after reproduction, the production of new individual takes place from their parents. Here in case of bacteria, the bacteria reproduces mainly by asexual reproduction. By asexual reproduction. There is total the absence of sexual reproduction. It means that here there is no formation of male gamete, female gamete or any type of sex organ, as we have seen in higher plants and animals. There are sex organ and male and female gametes are present, but here in bacteria there is no formation of any type of gametes, whether it may be male gamete or it may be female gamete. So, here there is no doubt, there is no meiosis or there is no reduction division. There is no meiosis or there is no reduction division. What some scientists here they shows that there is genetic recombination. There is a genetic recombination, means it means that here the exchange of genetic material takes place, that is the genetic recombination. So, here the growth or the reproduction of bacteria is very fast. In single day from one bacterium, millions of bacteria are produced. So, the growth or the production rate in bacteria is very fast and very rapid. From one bacterium, millions of bacterium are formed in one day. So, one by one we will see here how the bacteria reproduces. The first method, that is asexual type of reproduction, asexual type of reproduction. In case of asexual reproduction, here the asexual reproduction again it takes place by different methods, different methods. Different method. The first method, that is binary fission, and the second method, that is the asexual reproduction, takes place by budding, and the third method, that is the asexual reproduction, that takes place by the formation of conidia. The fourth method, that is asexual reproduction, that takes place by the formation of cyst. And the last method of asexual reproduction is the asexual reproduction, that is takes place by the formation of endospores. Endospores. Okay, so these are the different methods from which the sexual reproduction, asexual reproduction takes place. So one by one we will see how is the vinerification, how is the budding, how is the conidia, and how is the cyst, and how the asexual reproduction takes place by the endospore formation. Okay, in the first method, see here in the first method, okay, this method of reproduction, asexual reproduction, is known as binary fission or binary fission in bacteria. Binary fission in bacteria. In binary fission method, actually the Y means 2, nari means number, fission means cleavage or break. Here the parent cell breaks into two daughter cell, two daughter cell. You see here these are the two daughter cells, and this is the parent cell. This is the very simplest and most common method of asexual reproduction, that is the binary fission. Under this condition, under favorable condition, this type of division or asexual reproduction takes place. In this method, from parent cell, two daughter cells are formed. Two daughter cells are formed. At the beginning, in this method, there is a transversal wall formation takes place, and the parent cells elongate, and the nuclear material divide, and ultimately a constriction develops. The constriction developed at the parent cell, and after the development of constriction, the complete separation of the parent cell into two daughter cells. So, in this manner, from parent cell, two daughter cells are formed. Okay, this process is very rapid. This process is very rapid. This process of vinerification is completed into 20 to 30 minutes. 20 to 30 minutes. And in 6 hours, near about 2,50,000 bacteria are formed from single parent bacterium. So, the growth and the reproduction of this bacterium is very fast. And it is also noted that in single day, from one bacterium, billions of bacteria are produced inside the host or on the medium. So, here the growth of this bacterium is very fast. The next method, that is asexual reproduction, takes place by the formation of words, and this method is known as budding. In this case, a small word formation from parent cell takes place. The parent cell produces the small words, and in these words, the words deposited cytoplasm, genetic material, and cell organelles. And these words, when they separate from the parent cells, they develop into new bacterium. Here the chain of words are formed, and finally these words, when they separate from the parent cells, they grow or they develop into new daughter bacterial cell. So, in this manner, this is the second method of asexual reproduction, that is takes place by the formation of buds, or and this method is known as budding. The next method, that is by the formation of conidia. Okay, here in case of filamentous bacteria, for example, in case of members of Actinomycetes and particularly in Streptomyces or the filamentous bacteria, the end of the filaments become separated and forming a chain of conidia similar to those produced by true fungi. These conidia can resist desiccation similar to endospore, but they cannot resist to high temperature. So, this filamentous bacterium produces chain of conidia on filaments, and the filament that produces the conidia, that is known as conidiophore. Okay, here the large number of conidiophore, they are formed in a chain, as these conidia are formed in fungi, and when these conidia they detach or they separate from the parent cell or from the filaments or from the conidiophore, these conidia they are having the ability to produce new bacterium. So, this is the third method of asexual reproduction that takes place by the formation of conidia, and this conidia is also known as exospores. The next method, you see here, the next method, that is the asexual reproduction takes place by the formation of cyst, Here the genus Azotobacter produces resting cells known as a cyst. Actually, the cyst is a resting cell. The cyst is formed by the deposition of additional layer around the resting cells. Thus, the entire cell content is involved in the formation of the cyst. So, the entire cell, bacterium cell, it is involved in the formation of cyst. Here also the cyst is resistant to desiccation and not to the heat. So, the cyst formation takes place under unfavorable condition, but the condition is favorable. These cysts they develop or they can produces the new bacterium cells. So, this is the fourth method of asexual type of reproduction. It takes place in the bacteria. And the last one method, that is the asexual reproduction. It takes place by the formation of endospore. Endo means actually it is inside. See here, these endospores. These endospores are intracellular resting cells. These are the intracellular resting cells, means these endospores are present inside the cells, and it differs from the cyst in the formation of endospore part. Here the part of the cell is utilized in the formation of endospore. Part of the cell is utilized in the formation of endospore. Here the best example is seen in soil borne bacteria. So, here the part of the cell is utilized, that part contains genetic material, cytoplasm. So, these things, and they forms the endospore. From this endospore again new bacteria are formed. Okay, this is the last type of asexual types of spore. When these spores they detach under favorable condition, they produces the new bacterial cell. So, this is all about the asexual reproduction in bacteria. So, these are the 5 types of 5 methods of asexual reproduction that takes place, and here the asexual reproduction takes place. So, here the most common method is binary fixation, that takes place in the favorable condition. But the formation of cyst, the formation of endospore, this takes place under unfavorable condition, under unfavorable condition. So, dear students, this is all about the asexual reproduction in bacteria. In examination or in university examination, the question will be asked for short notes, or sometimes the question will be asked for 20 marks. Generally, in examination, the question may be asked on binary fission, or write a short notes or binary fission, binary fission. So, this is important as per the point of examination view. So, we will stop here. Thank you.